Hello everyone, welcome to today's round of Ed Talks. I'm here at Chandigarh with Niharika Kataria, who's the Principal Advisor at University of Windsor. Hi Niharika.
Hello, Ganga, and thank you for having me here. Second time on It Talk.
Yeah, very true. Alright, so Niharika, Windsor is pretty close to Detroit.
Correct.
And that whole region zone is all known for automobiles and all of that speed racing cars and product design and everything related to mechanical engineering,
Right.
automobile engineering and all that stuff. And I know a lot of students do get excited about wanting to study those programs at University of Windsor. So what are your comments on that?
So, students who are looking at getting into a mechanical engineering or automation engineering program, Windsor is a very good option for them. We are known as the automation capital of Canada.
Yeah.
So, our programs in mechanical, automotive engineering are very, very popular. Very recently, we have had some investment done in Windsor City. We have an EV battery manufacturing plant right in our backyard. So a lot of our students get those co-op opportunities in that plant. One of our professors, Professor Narayan Kar, is working very closely with that plant, and he also has set up his own lab where he's taking on research students. A lot of our master students do projects with our professors in those labs, and they get that hands-on learning experience. And you already know that Windsor is known for the automation industry. We have Fiat Chrysler, we have Stellantis, General Motors, Ford Motors. They're research units in that area. So that makes getting projects and co-ops pretty easy. They get that hands-on learning experience, and then immediately after they complete their courses, they are able to find jobs in those companies.
Excellent. And what kind of scholarships do you offer for students who are looking at a master's program?
We have scholarships for undergrad.
Okay.
So it starts from 1,000 Canadian dollars and goes up to 20,000 Canadian dollars. And it is all based on academic merit. So if a student has 85% and above, they would qualify for scholarships.
Yeah, of course.
And they apply to these scholarships once they have the offer letter. And we also can recommend some students. If you feel there are students from Chandigarh or from Punjab area who are meritorious and they deserve some scholarships, do reach out to us and we will be able to recommend their names for scholarships, which are of the higher amount,
Excellent.
like 10,000, 16,000, 20,000 Canadian dollars as well.
Fabulous. I'll make sure.
Yes, please
Students,
do.
if you're watching, do get back to your Can-Am counselor and
I know.
try and get the scholarship. Yeah.
Definitely. We would love to support those meritorious students
Yeah.
and make life a little easier for them when they're looking at 4-year degree programs.
Yes.
At master's level, there are opportunities like research assistantship, graduate assistantship, or teaching assistantship that the students can get onto once they enroll into our programs. And these opportunities will have stipends, they will have salaries. So they are able to cater to some amount of, their living expenses can be
Right.
catered through those salaries.
Coming back to automobile engineering, a lot of students are interested in this field. So I've heard about your students participate in international as well as domestic competitions on product design, on designing cars and stuff. So tell us more about
they
that.
have designed missiles as well.
Ooh.
They have designed drones as well.
Okay.
So we have been associated with big names in the industry like Magna and all of those big companies who have organized competitions, who have organized project-based learning opportunities for our students. And while they are pursuing their undergrad or master's degrees, they are able to affiliate to this project, apply to these competitions, and they have won accolades as well.
Yeah, great. No, thank you so much. It was really wonderful talking to you, and I'm sure students will be very interested in listening to this whole video, and they should be applying,
Yes,
especially for
apply
the
to-
scholarship.
Of course.
Right.
University of Windsor is a great opportunity for them.
All right, thank you, Niharika.
Thanks, Ganga.